Alright guys, so I'm off to prize giving and it's gonna be absolutely lit. I'm so grateful. But let's see you guys when I get there and stay posted. The conference center, Miami.
Hi.
Pete Kennedy made the decision, the best decision in his life, when he decided to switch from Jamaica College to Kingston College in 1992. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Pete Kennedy.
So I'm actually outside. I'm not supposed to be outside. We're breaking the rules. And the lighting actually right here is really, really good. When we are doing a photo shoot right here, and so yeah.
Motivated is here with you today. I'm telling you, Mr. Murray, every single student that is standing in front of you now, and all the students that you see at school, we have motivated them in a special way. Some way, somehow, we have motivated them. And Mr. Murray, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for allowing us to be able to come to your door and just talk. Thank you for being a father away from home. Mr. Murray, we appreciate you and love you with all our hearts. Every good man has a good wife.
But also taking the reins of the drama club.
Yes, Mrs. Taylor.
To many medals.
That's my faculty. That's my faculty advisor. Olympia. Go, Mrs. Taylor.
Congratulations, Mrs. Taylor.
That's my form teacher.
Because Mrs. Roman is a professional. Meticulous, pays attention to details, invested in her students. She's taught me a lot, and I am so grateful to honor her this afternoon. Miss Vernon.
Go, Miss Vernon. Go, Miss Vernon. Miss Vernon. Go, Miss Vernon.
Jamaica and third in Caribbean.
Yay.
Industrial Technology Mechanical. Sadish Johnson for placing second in Jamaica and fourth in the Caribbean for Industrial Technology Mechanical.
Yes, I did.
Rajay Robinson.
Go, Rajay.
Placing third in Jamaica and eighth in the Caribbean for Industrial Technology Electrical. for being our top CSEC business students. Straight A profiles in Office Administration, Principles of Accounts, and Principles of Business. These students could not be separated. They each got 8 ones, 8 distinctions. Our top CSEC performers, wow! Dina Bennett, Roger Robinson.
Yay! Chiphead, maganda.
Alright, so I think we're doing a shoot, and these are my friends, and we are all here. Say hello, everybody.
Hi.
And this is a random video. Hi, Siobhan, I'm gonna take your mother away from you. Like, I'm gonna take her away. Oh my gosh. Siobhan, Mr. Siobhan, you see you? Droppage. I just stepped in, my dog, and I'm extremely tired. Prize giving was lit. It was filled with moments of happiness and utter vibe. Oh my god, I gotta tell ya. Sashi, big up yourself. All of those who I took pictures with and took pictures for, big up yourself. My friends, listen, it has been a surreal experience. And looking now and reflecting, I'm just saying, so when you work hard, things can go on in life, and not a bit hard work, but a failure. And even if you fail, try again. I gotta tell ya, it's my part of the time so hard, but I gotta tell ya, I enjoyed prize giving this year, and just keep praying for me, guys. And yeah, you guys are hearing my dog in the background, but Rambo, shut up. Big up to kudos to Rajay, to Jamar, to Sadish, to Ronaldinho. I'm trying to remember Siobhan Smith. All of my the dog are going too bad. All of my friends who received awards. Kudos to Joshua Gordon. How can I forget Anita One Boy? All of the teachers who have helped us along the way to achieve not only success in school but regionally and success in CXCs. So because sometimes teacher, some students are getting the best grades, and we don't recognize and realize that it's because of teachers' hard work and dedication why a student can get a straight A or a good mark in the SPA for it per se. And teachers are normally undermined, but I want to say shout out to you teachers who worked assiduously. POB asked, yeah, I gotta tell you, English language, mathematics, all of the main subjects, religious education, social studies, everything that I've done, that every teacher from every angle, geography, physics, biochemistry, all of those main subjects, big up to you, kudos to you. Without you, we could not as students have done it, and so I want to say thank you. And so yes, guys, stay tuned. It is a mini prep series for that which is to come. When it comes, it's gonna be great because quality will improve. Like, listen, you guys are getting the prep to what is to come. I gotta tell ya. And so yes, I'm gonna make so much grammatical error. This is not right, but you get the gist. Guys, it has been an amazing experience for 2019, and only Christ in the vessel. I'm laughing in the storm. Gotta tell you, I tell out. Max, big up anyway, big up the very good stand up, and Maxine Pickersgill, Justine Robinson, kudos to you guys as well for graduating from the University of the West Indies and the University of Technology with a bachelor's and with a master's, both mother and daughter. Kudos to you as well. I just want to say to anybody who's aspiring to do great things in life, take a shot, put God first, and watch him work. Like, legit, no jokes. I'm tired. This is a lot of energy now, guys. But anyways, So stay tuned. Enough love. Hashtag KingWill. Stay strong. Out and bad, out and strong. See you when I see you. Bye guys.